What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be making this. Well, not this. This is already made. We're going to be making a rolling pin. So a good friend of mine over on Instagram, Luke over at Luke in the Garage, recently messaged me and begged me to collaborate with him. I mean, it was kind of embarrassing. I'm just kidding. Just giving Luke a hard time. Luke's a good guy. But he did want to collaborate. That part is true, and I wanted to collaborate with him. And so he made me this one-of-a-kind rolling pin blank. This blank is made out of maple and walnut, and it has my, what do you call it? Catchphrase on it. It has my catchphrase on it. Be good, be safe, be happy, and it is all engraved and filled with epoxy. This is gonna be a super interesting rolling pin, and I'm really excited to get to it, so let's just get going. Man, I'm having so much fun with rolling pins. This is my third one, and I think adding epoxy to the mix is just opening the gates to a whole lot of other opportunities. Make sure you guys swing by and follow my buddy Luke over at Luke in the Garage. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.